See the difference?
Oh, no, no, no.
Hi wealthy people! So today we're in our house and I just woke up a few minutes actually, and I just want to show you guys the package we ordered and finally received. These are the tennis balls that I ordered from YKM Tennis. Shout out to you guys. Thank you so much. So I'm going to do an unboxing.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
2,000 years later.
By the way, these are my tennis balls. We ordered tennis balls because we figured that since we should like really master the basics, forehand and backhand strokes in tennis, we need tennis balls for drills and for serves because my serve stinks. Just like in the video that I showed you. So, we need these ones. I usually don't paint my nails, but I painted it because for Halloween or maybe incidental. Wow. So my tennis balls. I waited for you guys for so long. Yay!
Eventually.
So here are they. We just ordered 50 because we figured that just use this and when they become dead, we'll just buy new ones. We wish to like buy the Wilson Trinity because they said that Wilson Trinity doesn't really go dead, so for the environment, but I'll just use this for now. Okay, that's it for my unboxing. Thank you. So I'm opening the balls, testing this one ball out with my new balls that we've used over the week, and I've just recently opened this within this week. So we'll see how they bounce. So now just hear a difference. It bounces well, so it's good for training. But if you're looking to get used to the feel when you actually play the game, it's better to just use the new balls. You can use any other ball. These are, according to YKM Tennis, these balls are what's that? Technified, and the ball that I'm comparing it to are actually pressurized balls of Slazenger. See? Yeah. See the difference?
No, 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 no.
So ako nang i-mark ang balls so they won't get mixed up with other people's balls when we finally play